Hi, I'm Kim. Welcome to my tiny bathroom. I just took a shower and I used the Suki Exfoliating Foaming Cleanser. So this stuff is amazing. It's lemony fresh. It smells so good. And I use it a couple times a week. It sloughs off the dead skin cells. I tend to have drier skin, so it really helps reveal fresh, radiant skin underneath, smaller pores, and it lathers into this really beautiful foam while you're using it in the shower. So after I cleanse my skin, I always use the Suki Daily Toner. It's a spritz, so you just spritz it right on your face, let it set in. It just preps your skin and really kind of gives me that fresh little wake up jolt that I need before I put on the rest of my skincare products. The first two products, the Exfoliating Foaming Cleanser and the Toner, are in the StartCycle, and those are just kind of like the Suki skincare basics. So it's really where you should start. If you are on the go like me, I'm in my mid-30s, I don't have a ton of time in the morning for a skincare routine. These products are kind of the basics for Suki to really get a good regimen going.